Setcrete Universal Floor Leveling Compound is a low-odor floor leveling compound for use in internal, general light traffic areas prior to the installation of a floor covering. It can be applied to a wide range of absorbent and non-absorbent subfloor types and has a walk-on time of 3 hours at 20 degrees Celsius. Pour 4 litres of cold, clean water into a clean mixing bucket and gradually add 1 bag of powder. Stir with a power whisk fitted to an electric drill until a smooth, creamy, and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 2 minutes, scraping the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is mixed. Do not add further water and do not mix more material than can be applied in 15 to 20 minutes. Pour the mixed material onto the prepared subfloor, primed with Setcrete acrylic primer, and allow to flow and attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. Setcrete Universal Leveling Compound has excellent self-smoothing properties and should be applied at thicknesses between 3 and 6 mm in one application. Setcrete Universal Floor Leveling Compound can be walked on from 3 hours and should be left uncovered for a minimum of 24 hours before installing a floor covering.